Hello guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of clear data on the application of Dropbox. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will search about Dropbox. In this window of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here we will enter to storage. Then here we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.